Hi friends, so today we'll see how to reverse a number using C++. So we have our code in reverse integer we have to split. So what is the approach we would be defining here? So let's see, suppose we have a number we have taken, it's 546. Okay, so the which will be taking it into a function called integer x, and we will assume that number as 546. Then first we will find the remainder of x, which is our 546 value, modulus 10, that will be equal to 6. So here our value will be 6. Okay, then we will add the remainder it into r. So r will be the remainder, and in that case r is equal to r into 10 plus 6, that will be updated value will be 6. Okay, so now the updated value of r will be 6, and then we will check for the x equal to x divided by 10. So here we will get the value is 54, which we have divided here by 10. So updated value of x will be 54. So again we will repeat this process into a loop. In the while loop we will repeat this process, and we will repeat until the x value becomes 0. And suppose a number is the r is greater than equal to integer maximum value, so we'll check for the 32 bit range. If r is outside the range, then it will return as 0. So in this case we will test the code on our platform. So for the case 1 we will test where our value is 1 2 3. So we will run the code, and it will return as output 3 to 1. Now the same way we will check for the second test case. Okay, so in the case 2 we have minus 123, so it will be outside that range. Okay, so we'll again, it will show it here because it would be less than the return value. Okay, then we'll run this code, and we see here that for the second output our runtime it would be successful. Okay, so output will be minus 321. So for the third use case, if you check, we have value of 120. Okay, so here we will have to check for the range value, and if it is there, then we will get the expected output as. So with our program, it's working as with our approach, which we have taken here in example the value, and we have defined the long integer r as 0 with the integer value function defined in the function, and we are updating the value until x becomes 0. Okay, so we are used the complexity of o, and complexity is used here for defining the integer constant and for defining the reverse integer in program in C++. Thank you.